some days you step in it, other days you walk around it. Today I stepped in it. Well, I guess what you could say is the tire ran over it. Deer antler, you see that? Let me explain what's going on. I went up this morning to get a load of fertilizer to start spreading some fertilizer. So got the buggy loaded here. I've got 4 ton on it. The wind is blowing too much today to actually spread fertilizer. So then I went back with my dump truck and got another 15 ton. So as I was hooking the spreader onto the tractor here, I noticed that tire was a bit low. So I brought it up here to the shop, started putting air in it, and that's when I saw this deer antler here. That's a pretty good size. It's the size of my pinky, as you can see there. I'm surprised I drove 35 miles south with this thing behind my truck without it going completely flat or blowing out. So this spreader, since I picked it up, has not left the road. So that, I'm sure, was in there when I picked the spreader up this morning. So the previous person using this spreader ran over that deer antler and probably didn't notice it. What I'm going to do is pull a tire off of the wing of my disc here. I think it's the same size hub. So I'm just going to yank one of those tires off and put on here, and then I can get my fertilizer spread, and I'll take that tire back up to them and let them decide what they want to do with it. It's a shame because they're practically brand new tires. I guess they can put a patch in that tire and save that tire, but darn, damn deer antler. So let me back this in the shop and get these tires switched around. I'm anxious to see how long this antler is. Let's see if I can pull it out. Just a little spike, but that was enough to go through there. A plug may actually fix that hole, but I'll let the fertilizer guys decide that. tires are spinning. Got it set for the right amount of fertilizer. Tires are unflat, so let's spread some fertilizer. tires. Not as bad as a deer antler, but yeah, it could still puncture a tire, I think. Not quite sure what kind of animal that would be. I'm not an animalologist or a paleontologist or an archaeologist. Okay, that's it for this load of fertilizer. Let me get on here and finish spreading it now.